Welcome to an exciting adventure as we explore the Louvre in France. Get ready to embark on a journey filled with art, history, and wonder. As we enter the magnificent museum, we are greeted by the iconic glass pyramid. It stands tall and proud, inviting us to discover the treasures that lie within. Inside, we find ourselves surrounded by masterpieces from different eras and cultures. From ancient Egyptian artifacts to Renaissance paintings, the Louvre is a treasure trove of artistic expression. Let's take a closer look at some of the most famous artworks. We marvel at the enigmatic smile of the Mona Lisa, painted by the legendary Leonardo da Vinci. Her gaze seems to follow us as we move through the room. Next, we encounter the majestic winged Victory of Samothrace. This sculpture, with its flowing robes and outstretched wings, captures the essence of triumph and grace. Moving on, we come across the Venus de Milo, a marble statue that exudes beauty and elegance. Its missing arms only add to its mystique, leaving us to wonder about its story. As we continue our journey, we discover the grandeur of the Palace of Versailles. Its opulent halls and stunning gardens transport us to a time of kings and queens. The Hall of Mirrors, with its dazzling reflections and intricate designs, leaves us in awe of its splendor. We imagine the grand balls and important events that once took place within these walls. Outside, we stroll through the meticulously manicured gardens, adorned with fountains and statues. The beauty of nature blends seamlessly with the artistry of human creation. Our adventure at the Louvre comes to an end, but the memories and inspiration we have gained will stay with us forever. We hope you enjoyed this journey through one of the world's most renowned museums. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep exploring and embracing the wonders of the world.